Alright. I probably won't advertise the stream at all. This music is quite loud actually. Alright then. So this stream, I'm just going to have it being in game, as that's all. I'm going to be throwing, and I'm going to be trying to find things that I want to change and other things like that. Let's also actually turn this thing down, as it's still quite loud. I don't know how long I have in this playlist, so I might change it at some point. Right then, let's also actually get the channel stuff. I just realised I haven't got that open. I normally do. And YouTube has changed how I get to that, haven't they? There are this whole new like thing in. I feel like an odd man at the moment, trying to get through this. And okay, yeah, I have no idea how to get it from there. Let's just go to my profile. I can get that from my profile. I guess I can also load this up though as well. And let's just pop up the chat. There you go. Pop out. Okay then. So, yeah, my mic is definitely working. So, what I'm going to be working on, as I've already mentioned, is I'm going to be fixing bugs or mistakes. And already I've got two things that I want to change. First, I want to change this. I'm not liking it at all. I'm thinking an image background. So that's definitely something I want to change. Let's see. Oh, that's another problem. I can drag about the panel. And you've got like that window as well. So the draggableness and the title, that's a simple fix. Let's write that down. This is Google Doc. No. So landing page. The bugs I've already encountered is don't have background. I want to use a image, maybe animated. Like it would only be a few frames. And then there is a title and draggable, which definitely is not what you want. Okay, so I've clicked new character. Game freezes as I'm assuming it attempts to create models. Nothing I don't like is how I had to fix the models, and this I love, but the models, you know. I'm thinking probably replace the models themselves with the icons I have. So I'll probably create a new model for that. What's just a feel of it? This is like Derma default font. I'm almost certain that's Derma default. Actually, I think probably all of this is Derma default, and it's just there. It's no impact. It looks bland. It looks like someone made it in about 30 minutes. And to be honest, that is probably how long it took me to decide on that font at the time. And no. And if you're done, okay. So create character. So redo entirely. Redo the panel. So what I'm thinking now is probably a faction selection, then maybe name, and then a button to select it, and then another panel will load up. Either that or a transition thing, so you'll have like a forward, back, and panels probably gliding in and out. Maybe that might work. Either that, or I might try what I've done with the Clone Wars test panel, which is kind of, it scales it up. That was really awesome, to be honest. I actually really like how that works. Anyway, so redo the character panel. Just everything I don't like. Don't like any of it. I think probably the only thing I like about it is this text entry, and that was a pain to make. And even then, I still want the font to change. So yeah, that will definitely be something. Okay then, so leave server. Let's also actually write a note about changing the font in the landing page. Change font. And possibly the buttons, I'm not sure. Like I quite like how the buttons go, so I'll probably keep them. So leave server, not much you can do there. You do get a wonderful insight there onto all the servers I've joined before, but it's not a problem. So yeah, there's that. So this is it's currently the same stuff. What's the word? This is just the same thing I've done with the force bars. Is I went through them and decided if I liked them, didn't like them, and whatnot, and then I'll be working on slowly going over and fixing them now. And now I'm just doing that same with just the rest of the server. Let's see, what does this person want? Yep. Oh. Ooh, I need to lower dual sounds. I forgot about that. Okay then, so back in. So load character. Yeah, alright. Problems already. We've got... I actually kind of like this, but we have no telling us what the character's name is. Nothing. So I mean, it's nice that I can quickly change between load character and new character, but I'm thinking I might make it so that, again, I want a different panel. I'm kind of thinking a system which draws something in the background, like I've had on all my other servers, but maybe change between Korriban and so on. I'm not quite sure. But definitely this needs to have the character name. Okay, so load character. So the issues with load character need to show a name. Alright. And buttons are too close right now. Other than that, it can work for now. I'll probably go with all of these will need a background eventually. Because as I mentioned, I'm just going to put an image behind this. I might put one of the old background images that I had in place previously. That might work. Alright, so now if I load. Ouch! You actually saw that appear on the audio, so that was loud. Yeah, oh yeah, there you go. Let's turn that right down. Yeah, that's fine. I think. Slow it down a bit more. Let's go with that for now. So, general feel of HUD so far. Yeah. So if I do that and then open console and plus menu context, so you can just fill with everything on the HUD. That for me is surprisingly quite clean. Like, this isn't too bad. I mean, it does block a lot of the screen, but this is with all HUD elements up, except for voice chat, which appears down here. So that, I mean, I don't actually have the other play type, which is on this side, but again, that's actually been hidden by menu context, so that's not a problem. And then of course most players won't have this because they're not going to be staff. Okay, so 2.5 FPS at the moment. 39, 33. So similar FPS with, let's say, enabled and disabled, as it should be. Shouldn't be too intensive. Frames are decreasing though, so I have a strange feeling it's probably something in here. Oh, that's actually a really nice model. I don't actually know what model that is, but I like it. Yep, this is yeah, just randomly picks a model. Yeah. Okay, so there's definitely something causing script errors. Well, not script errors, it's lag. I'm just trying to figure out what it is at the moment. Normally, I don't think I normally go this low. Let's get the net library up. Not net library, let's get net graph. Sales entities, which is understandable, but what entities? When was the last time I restarted a server? A while ago. So let's have a look at how many entities are currently on the server. At print length ents get all. Okay, 454. That's quite a lot. So underscore run file dot write ents list table.com cat ents.get all let's try that. See that? Oh, I could do a table to Johnson, can I? Yeah, let's go with that. Okay, invalid username, so I can't concat that table, so alright, well I can concat it, it's just going to be a bit harder than just writing a file.concat. Okay, let's write a quick console command. Actually that will break space system, but that's another bug I need to work on. I'll do that bit of debugging later. So these are, so probably most of those entities might be things like these. Like there's probably 4 of them, the map and so on. Oh, okay. Managed to get stuck. How the hell did I manage to get stuck? I have no idea. See if I can recreate that. So what I did was proceed as this was going in, then released and got stuck. Okay. So very recreatable, that problem. Literally just walk into the door and press E and you're screwed. Okay, so that's a. Oh, so anyway, let's go down to HUD now. HUD seems fine. Possibly one thing I would change, if I ever got around to it, would be actually adding some lerping to this, so that it doesn't just. It's not as jittery. It's smoother. Because I did that actually with a HUD in. Actually, yeah, I'll do that. Add lerp to health and force bars. Because I added that to a HUD in single player, and oh, I loved it. There's just something about adding frame time to things which makes them look so nice. I have no idea what it is. Maybe because it's a really consistent way of making it go up instead of just adding numbers. So yeah, I don't know, but either way, I like it. Okay, so key menu. Game froze a bit. This is another bug, and I'm not quite sure what's causing it. So if I move my mouse really quickly, I can get things stuck. This, and then I have this. So this will probably get noticed at some point. So, yeah. Wait, what? Yeah. This is interesting, definitely. Is you shouldn't be able to get... wait, what? Okay. Item dropping is backwards. Seems like it's using my angle incorrectly. Okay. That's right. So, saber equipping, I should just be able to direct that. Yep. I had 2 sounds there. Guess that makes sense. And now I have just normal thick ass white saber. Cool. 31, 30, 39, 38. Okay, about 1 to 2 frame decrease with my CPU. That doesn't seem too bad. Alright then. And then that could also possibly that frame. Actually no, that's that works. Okay, so another bug at the moment is that I can even ignite my lightsaber at the moment. That's a bug. Okay, so let's go through. Can enable lightsaber as a Force Ghost. That's a fairly big bug because I shouldn't be able to attack people as a Force Ghost. And probably theoretically I should only be able to attack other Force Ghosts, but we can see about that later down the line. Because technically Force Ghosts are just really OP, so yeah, I'm going to remove targeting. Because right now you don't really feel dead, you're just super cloaked. Or should be. Okay, like this panel is nice. Don't like the fact it's still default closed, so I might put an X there. Yeah. Ooh, I just thought. Sounds. But all buttons need sounds. Buttons need sounds. So, very simple. Hover. Would that work? Just trying to think of like a clicking sound maybe. Something like that for clicking and stuff. Okay, I'll probably go with that. So clicking and a thump. Click and thump. And then run through the filters for the sound effects there. If you thought that was a bit crazy, if anyone is watching this or is going to be rewatching, that's pretty much how I did the sound effect for I don't want to hover over it. One of the things you're seeing. Okay, so anyway, I'm not after force bars, I'm just looking over the panels, so yeah, maybe fadeaways or something. And this I actually really like that the small little animated button. That, whoa, I really liked. So I might do that here as well. So you have like character menu. Let's die. Is Discord? No, that isn't good. I think not. Okay, so C menu. Blech. Was C menu updated? C menu. Update to use new method of panel creation. Use frame time for movement. It will make it less bulky. Or clunky, whatever you want to call it. This just to me feels really clunky, slow. It's not even. No one is. You see that? When I release the mouse, it jumps. So that's a bug with the animation right there. It shows it's not using the position of the panel. It's just deciding to move it down. So yeah, that needs to be redone, and it will be. And yeah, I'm thinking I could make it slide in from the side. That could be nice as well. But either way, that panel needs to be remade. So yep. Chat box is nice, but I'm thinking maybe a fade in, fade out, possibly. Like that. You've got like admin chat, normal chat. It's just, yeah. It's nothing more than that. Right. So that's those panels. This is go into C menu. So join faction. Oh, that's good. So this hasn't been updated from Clone Wars. So let's now go into the command section of this. So join faction. Join faction. Use new panel plus reskin. Maybe modify it as a whole. Yeah, maybe probably modify it as a whole, because no one, if you're already a Jedi, it basically it's got a pending system or something. So no. Probably what it should do is we'll tell people, oh yeah, this person has joined. Confirm yes or no. Okay. So yeah, so I'm thinking chat box. Maybe add alpha, maybe add alpha to before and after hide and show. Like probably 0.5 of a second or something as the speed, just so that it's not affecting anything. Because that's the big thing with hard element animations and stuff, is it should not affect playing it or playability like this. Look at that. It is so slow that, let's see, 1, 2, it takes 2 seconds to get up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's about 4 seconds for all of these buttons to get created. And I know for a fact that half of these aren't not all of them are here. Okay, so activate chair. I need to remove the dev print. Remove dev print. Okay, everything else of that should be fine. All right. Maybe sound effect and visual effect, because at the moment all you have is just that, and you jump. No, maybe flash on the screen. Yeah. I'm also tempted to move bank account maybe to a notification system on the side. To have something slide into the side saying like, oh yeah, you have this new notification, and it's saying that you have money, and you maybe have a pound sign or a credit icon. That's the word. But I could easily put that onto a black background. Alright then. So that's just a general maybe notification system idea. Notification system. Alright then. So that's activate chair. Let's get out of activate chair. Alright, didn't mean to press R. Okay, so weapons and comms. That needs to be redone, as I have a strange feeling that hasn't been edited since RE. So that's old. That probably doesn't even work. Mission. Okay. Yeah. redesign. Submission, redo, maybe similar to how the skill trees are done? Question mark. That could work. That actually would look quite nice. Okay. Also, what I might do is I might move into coding at the end of this, just because that is that probably will be what happens. And yeah, this isn't fun. This is boring, but that's the truth. Okay. How long was that? 1, 2. I feel like 2. No, this is me. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 2 Mississippis. Apparently, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Am I able to use those commands at the time though, Johnny? 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. I am. Okay, so fading in isn't a problem. All buttons are still enabled. And so the dueling out has a problem. It's like I have this 2 seconds. It feels like 2 seconds. I can't tell. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi. Yeah, about 2 Mississippi, 2 seconds, where I'm unable to move after exiting out of the panel. Send requests. Whoa, that was a jump, and this is a mess. Very tempted to minify the panel again, so more like inventory. Or not, can I drag the panel around? Yep, and I have title up there. So, this is dueling. So, title plus draggable. Maybe redesign to be more compact, maybe. Because a lot more things. I'm now making things a lot more compact to full screen. But definitely needs a redesign of the panels, because this, just look at that. For starters, there are no other people at the moment, so I shouldn't even be able to click this. Dual invites didn't even load up. Has it just glitched out? I think it just glitched out there. Or had it just not bothered moving over? That's what had happened. Okay. And you see 2 people so far, but only that. And again, I can click these. Shouldn't be able to click them. So again, redesign. I've got the names. What else? What other information am I getting about them? Because if I get more, I might make it more like an avatar kind of thing. We have like a box and stuff. With yeah, I've got an idea in my head now for kind of what I'm thinking of. So let's go with that. That's a purge of 2000. So yeah, a lot of stuff there. Let's go through that again. So leaderboard, move to a what is the word? More profile, to a profile-ish style of thing. Okay, dual invites can stay the same. Maybe include person's score, because we should have that data. Send dual request definitely needs redesigned. Send dual request have an outline at least. Maybe a button for online players. And then guys panel. Let's see. And this stuff here is fine. That's not a problem. And maybe speed up closing. Okay, that's dueling. As dueling, we have invite to faction, which again is one of the older panels. Anything like this is back from ROE. So that means it's going to need a redesign. As everything with ROE needed a redesign. This is probably also a frame killer as well. Okay, so redesign panel. Redesign. No, move over to new system. Move over to new system. Ooh, whoa, I feel tired. That's just not, it's not a good thing how tired I am at the moment. Alright. Okay. No, I do have another idea for this as well, for my icons. But that's no, like it will work, but it would also require me to completely redesign everything I have currently done, and I don't want to do that yet. Like once I get through and start doing other HUDs as well, yeah. I'll redo this entirely, without a doubt. So move over to new system for panel, and maybe have an accept to faction instead of invite player. Makes more sense than just random people, so they don't need to actually join. This is 1, 2, 1, 0, 5, 1. Yep, 1 Mississippi, 1 Mississippi, 1 Mississippi. That's fine. Tab menu. Tab menu. This needs to be redone. So actually, that's not a tab menu thing. This probably needs to go. Suppose we redesign it. Actually, yeah, good point. Just realised this can be redone. And I might make it so when you get XP, a level bar appears here and lets up. So yeah, do that. So level bar, make a pop up when gaining XP. Make bar. Orange for that. White for force power? So it's a very big thing. Is you don't know when your force power to level up. I've leveled up power, I've checked back at it and I'm like, when did it get to that level? So yeah, like you've got, this is a level 11 force power here. That took me so long to do. It took me so long to get it up to level 11. Which is good. It's a very good thing. Very, very good thing. Of course it is. It took me that long to get up because I mean, you do literally just, it's one of the easier ones to level up because there's no force usage on it, and that's the most annoying thing with other powers is some of them are easier to level up than Channel Hatred, apparently, but because of the difference in the fact of the use of force, this can be spammed, the other one can't be. What is a bit counterproductive because this is the one which allows you to level up more. So, yeah. I could always create a cooldown system where you kind of start burning up because you've concentrated too much power or something. That'd be a nice idea. I feel like lots of people would hate it though. But it would get rid of the AFK meditators quite a lot because then they start negatively hurting themselves. Kind of like some of the time, like you have with, like it is something you have in real life. Like if you push yourself too hard, you then actually tear a muscle or something, and then you've actually negatively hurt yourself. So I could do something like that, but with the stats, it cannibalizes your stats a bit. Because that's what everyone wants. Cannibalized stats. Alright, so that was much toggle view. I doubt most people will be using this, to be honest. Like, it's cool, but it's like, you don't see the lightsaber at all, really. At least not with this film. So yeah, and I'll keep it there, cause sure. Rank up. Ooh, sort terrors. 206. That's, either way, rank up is an old command, as you can probably tell. Rank up. Move over to new system. Yeah, that's all described. Okay. Oh, voice chat needs to be reskinned. Voice chat reskin. Okay. Yeah, that should be easily doable. Yeah, that's easily doable. Okay, I can do that. No problem. Okay. Now I need to decide how I'll do that, but yeah, I can do it. I should be able to do it at least. Probably do like a damage or something. Okay then, so now the voice chat is something I need to do. Okay, so I just did rank up, claim chair, salute, just go. Maybe bow and kneel. Yeah, I'll rename salute to rename. Oh, and that was in English. Salute. Rename to, what's the word? Something. Rename to bowing and kneeling. Okay then. I'm drinking way too much. So that's everything in RP commands. I think I should change this to just commands instead of RP commands, to be honest. Tab menu was fine. Again, you got bug here. But one of the things I like is, even though this is white as it can be on the background, you can still tell what it says, which is great. But yeah, as I said, I already want to redo this. Oh, this is getting redone. Probably in the same style that I want to do the other things. So that does work because it's the same style as I want to do them. So yeah, it works. Okay then. So now on to the things which aren't in the RP commands menu, but should be. So we need to add to commands. Can I insert tables? Insert table. There you go. Let's just insert it in, like, I don't know what's needed. That's just a nice way to format what I want to add. Okay, so spirit menu. Ooh, I need to fix spirit rendering, and I have figured out how I'm going to do that. A very nice, simple way of just doing like a sine blend. So it used to, or not a sine. Maybe sine 0.5, add 0.5 or something. Yeah, 0.5 times sine, then add a 0, then add with a plus 128 on it for the other side. Which I think will work quite nicely. So that is probably what I will end with. for the rendering mode, because right now I haven't been able to get what I really wanted. Which was where it's scaled up and very alpha-y. Well, I can do the very alpha and stuff. I think you might be able to. You can probably see the blend better on the model now because I'm a ghost. Quite well, actually, I think. Yeah. Anyway, skill trees, definitely. What else are we missing? Player info. Recon menu. Okay. Anything else? Well, when in doubt, let's look through the code. Okay, let's bring you to the left there. And the Google up to the right there. There you go. Okay. So, JvS, alright. That's a bunch of script errors. Okay, let's go into the file manager. Games mode. Game mode. Stars up P. Game mode. Sealed HUD for now. So, emotes, are they even used anymore? No, emotes are not used. So we can remove the emotes library. Remove emotes module. Let's call it library. Remove emotes code. Let's go with. Okay then. Maybe keep the color. That which was put in there. Seal extensions is used. I'll probably go through that at some point. F2 menu. Go. Remove CL underscore F2 menu. Just isn't used at all. The code is just wasted. CL HUD paint has a lot of unnecessary stuff in it, but we'll go through it some other time. Class such as the already in the menu icon creator. Oh, I think I know what that is. Scoreboard store. Store isn't used. Remove store, I think. Let's put a question mark on that. Certain. Okay, so into RP commands. Global voice just isn't used. Rank up and strip will probably want to be gone, but I'll go through that later. All the admin commands under the old command folder can be deleted. The effect system, everything inside of there is fine. Possibly redesign the effect system at some point to use the meta table. Factions is factions. They just need to be configured at some point. Inventory should be fine for now. Mission, again, just configuring. Let's not go over net for now. That's a hell of a lot of folders. Oh, we might want to create the ceiling command as well. Ceiling command. Ceiling command. Yeah. Okay. Convex hole. We're not using that anymore. So maybe. So that needs to be redone at some point though, because I do want to figure out why the barrier crate add-on, or not add-on, thing caused the server to crash, because that was such a fun power. I actually loved it. And you could create a system where it's like it gets the that the team which was targeted of when it was created don't enter. So yeah, there's lots of cool things you can do. Got a little. What's that doing? Oh, that's got a little colour in it. Okay. Yeah, I already have one of them in CL HUD. Looks like this are a mess. Okay. Cool. So yeah, definitely school menu. I think that is everything in there. Might wanna double check. So let's try this. Okay. One. This is. I'm just doing this because it's. Yeah. And I'm stuck. So add an error message. Okay, go with that. So this is recon logs. Recon logs. Add a friendly lack of data error. Definitely, because there's a lack of data there, and I would never know. I've just got a black screen and change close button, and this is just a quick remove. Yep. I probably should add some alpha fades in and stuff here, but that's probably a lot of the things where I've said I'm going to tweak with alpha. They're small, not big problem stuff. However, things such as the school panel not being there, the recon menu, skill trees, ceiling command, me not having access to any of them, or them not being coded in, it's a problem, because they are actual things which impact RP, whereas the recon logs having not a nice close animation or something. I didn't actually check something with that. Let me reopen that. Not draggable, and nor is there text in the top left hand corner. That's surprising. Okay. So now skill trees. I think I know skill trees off the top of my head. Nope. There you go. Oh, I still forget just how much I love that. Where am I skill tree? Where am I skill? Oh, are they there? Oh yeah. So skill points need to be done. Title in top corner, but not draggable. How? If so, title in the top left hand corner, and it's not draggable. What? Okay. And this is skill tree. So, skill trees. Another thing which needs to be done is they need to be written. But yay, skill trees. Who wants to do them? Do you know what I think about? I did have the document somewhere. I lost track of that. I probably should try and find that document, because I did actually have all my skill trees put in there that I had planned. So yeah, or what I had planned for them. How long has this stream been going on for anyway? Oh, it's just 50 minutes, alright. Because it's skill trees. Yeah, so we need to show. Oh, what did I do? I just went into settings. Alright. Show how many skill points. Imagine it's shown here or something. Yeah, there you go. It's shown in character stats. Thank you, character stats. Alright. Then is this remove development positions. Also, this is weirdly centered, as I'm pretty sure center line is there, so I want to minus half the image, but let's go with that. Then that's centered, and now I want to add. Yeah, at some point I really need to get around to understand the title function exactly. Remove. Well, not understanding, figuring out what exactly is what and or not. Remove two element positions, remove title from top left hand corner. And I think I'm using this because around this time I still haven't figured out that I can iterate width and height through caching them for the render function for that. Didn't realize it would actually return to that, which is really nice. This works really nicely. Like, yeah, I like this. I really like how this works. It's fast. It's reasonable. This out is a bit slow, but it's not impactful, so it's fine. Okay, so let's get that reopened if I can. Thank you. Okay. So yeah, I can't buy anything because I haven't got any of the stuff. I did have it, but nope, that's the crystal forest. That's something else. Okay then. So recon spirit menu is fine. Let's open that up then. Just to show it off. I think it's that. There you go. I probably should make it so that I can't walk around it like this. I might. There you go. And sorry, Camo, I did PK you, but shh. He's probably not watching. So yeah, as I mentioned, that you can still walk around, you can still take damage, all of that. You can probably, I think you can still hear yourself because it's entirely client side. So yeah. Which does mean if someone wanted to, they could create a quick account. I don't know why you'd want to create a quick equip to change between spirits, because you're changing between spirits. It's not a major concern, in my opinion. It's like a lot of things. It'll allow you to quickly do this, this, and this, but it won't be exploitable. So there's a lot of things. Like, there are going to be things which are exploitable with client-side stuff, but that's the same with every server. It's like you've got, on most servers it's a lot worse, because a lot of their add-ons they have exploits in, or known exploits, whereas because mine is running everything is custom, there are no known exploits because the code is custom. So, well, there are of course known exploits, but that's base. That's like stuff in base and below. So yeah, like a lower injector, it will work because of a problem with Gary's one itself. That's not a problem. Okay, so let's go trees. So recon, spirit menu. I'm fine with spirit menu. Okay, so also corruption colors, invert, that they work, because yeah, this is saying I am more neutral than anyone else. Alright then, so that's a lot of things gone through. Modification station. It's nice. There are some bugs, a lot of bugs. So fix the bugs with modification station. Modification station, freeze in place. make it so it does not die when two people press E. Okay, that's modification station. And now you have like this 4 different entities for capturing and receiving stuff, which to me just seems weird and confusing. So you have 2 for capturing, so that's if you're Jedi, or that's if you're getting one, and then there's ones for placing it back, which I'm kind of thinking, okay, so starters, let's work with Jedi, no Sith, and I think where we're going to put them. So one of them is Intel. Nope. So actually, what level am I now? Am I still a novice? I shouldn't be a novice anymore. Okay, I'll need to have a look at that, because I am 100% certain I killed some stuff. In here maybe? Also, I probably want to put some text on this, I don't know. Yeah, you need a reason to go in here other than just dueling, so... actually no, modification station will be here. And why not? Intel selection will be here. So, Intel, let's get a position. So, Intel. Okay, so Intel, capture, modification station. I had to note that this is for Sith as well. And then we'll tweak it once we get to that. Alright. I probably should get something in game. A gate in game here at some point. Okay, and then let's just say this is for Sith. Alright. Intel. Actually, no, not Intel. Holocron. Yeah, Holocron. Oh no. Actually, no, yeah. Capturing comes from here. Or is that receiver? No, receiver. Yeah, nope, capture. Yeah, you want to get the intel from there and then run away. Yeah. And then over here, we're going to have intel capture. No. Woof. Nope, this is where you want your intel receiver. I'll write a comment explaining which one is which, because I don't remember now, and that's always a concern. So this is where I put the intel that I've gotten, which now I'm thinking is the capture, and the other one is the receiver. Yeah. This is the giver base. Yeah, I think it's giver base. Let's say. When I go. Alright. About it. Okay, and then I'm thinking holocrons in here. For this will be the receivers for capturing. It's quite small, isn't it? It might not be able to. It should fit, hopefully. And then this will be holocron receiver. I still can't spell receive. You really would think I'd be able to spell receive now with the amount of times I've had to write net.receive. Okay, so now I need to think, where am I going to put the holocron capturing? And let's just put it here. I do feel like this needs to be cleaned up a bit better, so that instead of having 4 entities, I only have 1. But that's something to do with it at the time. So there you go. That's 4 of the Sith things now. So that should be the Sith done for that. Well, that's 5 with modification station in there. Yep, I'll do that. Okay then. Okay, sorry, I was just checking Discord there. Alright, yeah, so where? So then it's so we've got, what's it, 2 of the outspots in here, which I think are stuck on each other. So they will need to think of some form of. The thing is, I can't tell who they are. Who are you guys? So I might. Oh, I know what I can do. Yeah, why not? Let's. Oh, so I think I've already refreshed some code, so it's not a problem. Let's just put them into the name. Let's put them into the naming script. Why not? I will also need to fix this. I will also fix this now. The bug that I have at the moment. So. Wait, no. And now we want to minus the mins. Go. Didn't do what I wanted it, but okay, let's say local is it merge? Let's go with merge. I will actually let me check the wiki. I can never remember. I don't use it enough. Double merge, that is the thing. Is it return value? It is a return. Oh no, it's saying it's not. So you pick the thing you want. So table merge, so TBL, and then oh, I could change that from distance to distance square. I think it's test spot. Let's go with that. Now let's try TBL. In before scriptors, we have scriptors. Get cloak. And well, let's just add that. So probably these guys won't try to cloak, I imagine, because they have no need to cloak. So they're not going to be good at cloaking, but then they don't need to cloak. Return pulse. Coke. Oh. I forgot they don't actually have the alright. Thanks for that. I'm not sure if I want to click that. Let's go. Let's have a look at this. What is this? Is there sound to this? There is, but what? Let's just pretend one. And then we need also another int get coked. Well, we return false. Anyway. And get corruption turns okay, probably what I'm going to do for here is get the faction. So if self.faction equals Sith, then return 115 times minus 15 times, try say 100. Get corruption. Oh, there you go. Put space there. I'm seriously not certain I have a naming function for them by now. I have to. Alright. Really? I feel like I'm missing stuff. Wait, what's my naming function? I don't remember. Off the top of my head, I do not remember it. I had a custom naming function that I added to use for netspots, or just people as a whole. I thought I added them. Okay, it's not under net, it's under shared. nope, 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 nope. Nope, character name, there you go. With the character involved, so where this name is, the return character name self.char. This is server side. That's always nice. Okay, there you go. Ooh, nice. So there you go, they now have names. Very nice. And I can no longer see my name. Alright. Okay then. Alright. I can no longer see my own name. Let's go back and have a look at this. Do I make TBL equal to an empty table or something? Oh, well that's the thing. It says return. Nope. Continue. There you go. And that is what was wrong. So, oh. That's weird. I can see their names through the walls even though I can't see them. Yeah. Nope. Big nope. I need to fix that. So I still can't see myself, so print then on fly. And it is only next what's in there. Alright. Oh, I don't want that. I want insert. Or join. Is there a join? There's an add or a copy. Add. There you go. So I want to add. There you go. Yeah. I mean, there you go. I did fix this bug now. So if we come over here, there you go. Look at that. These guys, I can still see their names. Oh, and that just makes them look even more like players. Oh, that's awesome. What's this second day friend come from? Billy. Sure. Oh, I'm loving that. Oh, that looks awesome. Oh, that looks really good. Oh, I'm really happy with that. Okay, there you go. That just such a small change, yet it's so good. So good. I mean, I'm definitely going to need to fix this issue, of course, but yeah. So, well, technically we have our position cached, which isn't helpful, but we've already checked their distances within range using distant, quite intensive. What we can now do is we can now check to see if we can actually see their value. Get pause can see, is it? Have a look. Can see. Can see. Yep. Vector visible. Visible. Pixel is visible. That's not what I want. Visible vect. These are server side. Oh. Okay, that's nice. I might use that one, but okay. So what it's saying is that okay. Okay, so I've got an idea now. This might work. So we're gonna go with pixelspheres is equal to that. Well, let's just cache that there. Let's go with unnecessary amount. So 4x equal 1 to. Do I do it? Let's go with 140. Do like 140 is excessive amount because that's saying that's giving us one for each player, and then which is 128, and then that's actually just enough. I can't do maths in my head. Yay! So now we create them to be the what's its face. What's the word? And then we just use a new one every time we go through the table. So now we actually do want index. So we do a visibility, and so if it is visible, then and because of the fact that we haven't needed to test everybody, we don't necessarily need to do the pixelspheres index, but we'll go with that anyway. Obviously you guys can't see the code I'm writing, but it doesn't really matter. You'll see the effects of it. It's not that great. Okay, there's a script error. 402 visible. Oh, then continue and 406. Got nil. Oh yeah. Set the pixels. How is that pixel visible? Or 6. Continue, and there you go. Oh, wow. That actually really culls quite easily. Like, there you go, it's in there. So yeah, I have gone with the 16, but I might go with the 32 instead. There you go. So I see the names start to pop out around here. So it seems a bit big, but it does allow you to spy around corners. So let's go with it. Oh, ow! He did no damage to me anyway. It's quite adorable. They just like push you back. And I'm pretty sure it's stuck. So yeah, that's funny. Yeah, bye bye. And hopefully that doesn't crash the server. It'll be like nice to know. It'll crash in about 30 minutes if it will crash. So yeah, that's fine. And let's also actually see how this is handled itself. So first order of business is I need to make it so this stops me from moving as well. So let's do that now. So ship system, hide RP commands, hide force powers, prevent force power usage, hide current inventory. Okay. Ship system broken. Fix bug with saving. That possibly gives it away, but alright then, so that's that. Probably add in some form of targeting at some point as well. Oh, player targeting. Player targets, check to see if they are dead or out of range, and untarget. Okay. Okay then. So that's that bit. Capture points. I have no idea how capture points work. And I probably should get around to having a look at them. Okay then. So I have a strange feeling they don't work because I haven't spawned at any. So let's go to a capture point and let's have a look. Let's go to Tatooine. I do want to also have a look at the spawns, see how dangerous it is to be there. Because Tatooine is where you want to go if you want to get fucked. Mentally in the heart, in the arse. I don't mean that in a good way. Okay, and they're not here. Alright, that's surprising. Let's check to see if they are actually in there. What's the... Oh, I have had some script errors. What are these script errors? Timer, then this, okay. No problem. Okay then, so lure underscore run, print, length, and spawn point, buzz, I've got a song stuck in my head. Oh, and look at that, the YouTube stopped playing. Yes, thanks for watching this. I really should get YouTube Music or whatever it is. To me that just seems like a stupid thing. But I bet you it doesn't randomly decide to mute itself. Because it's so annoying. I can understand why it's a thing. I just wish there was a way you could disable it. And I'm yet to find a way to disable it. I mean, I haven't actively looked that hard. It's just annoying that it's there. And like, I can't disable it. Also, that it's there and enabled by default. Like, I probably can disable it, or there's a way around it. Of course there will be. It's just I don't quite want. It only annoys me when I'm doing stuff like this, because almost every other time it doesn't mute itself. Probably because I'm doing stuff normally. I don't know. To be honest, I'm kind of wishing at this point. Okay, what was I doing before I tapped? Oh yeah, I was having a look at spawn positions, and so on, because I have no. It should be fine. They should be somewhere, and it's just where have they spawned? Because I feel like I put them in a weird place. And I think I found them. Considering I just got a very wonderful thing of it is too big to open in the files manager. Yeah. Okay, I need to actually load up my FTP software. Ooh. Yeah, there you go. That's probably where it's located. So. What happens if I change level? Let's actually just run through change level, why not? Change level RP underscore Jedi versus Sith underscore ODC underscore V2 underscore 1. There you go. Oh, I just got tag time. Have a look at this. This is an important tag. Okay, warning, attempt to send net to a non-player, bad argument, find in sphere vector expected got null. Let's go into that, that's a thing, expected to send it to a trying to send a message to a non-player. There's a bunch of random crap there. Alright. So we're looking at 684, that's where our problem is. Okay, alright, wait there, but if I load in, if I reload out, which I shouldn't be able to do, but that's a bug, do I get the same thing? I do. Okay, so what's happening is we're getting script errors, which is causing everything not to load in, or multiple things to load in, so this will require me to restart the server because we have too much loading in at the moment. So I need to fix this script error on line 684. Oh, goose goose. 684. I missed a P. And then again another P. Okay, there you go. And so now if I load myself in, head in loaded for the final time, and just show you what it's like the problem is. You see, you got 4 of them, as it said. So now, if we go to Tatooine, I should possibly learn the vector positions, or at least relatively vector positions for the TP command. So yeah, you do, like, you have a bit of flickery here and there, but it's not the problem. There you go. There you go. For that, so if I land here. They don't instantly decide that I'm a problem, which is surprising. What is their attack range? I'm not sure, but they don't seem to be that hostile towards me. To be honest, they should be more... I thought they were more hostile. What's their attack range? Oh. Yeah, that could be why. Their attack range is pretty... Yeah, I'm not equipped for this kind of... He says as he goes on to massacre them. So I'm going to stuck in these guys, and I'm about to die to that guy. So let's just go up here, because I don't actually want to die to them. Yeah. This lightning seems to have a really low cooldown. For the amount of damage it's doing, like I think it might be boosted anyway, but still, 10 seconds is really slow cooldown. Like, actually, I think I get a slow cooldown. No, I don't get. Yeah, I should get a slow cooldown because I haven't got my lightsaber enabled or something. And it does do more damage because I have got my lightsaber enabled. But this is just like a okay, and I can't pick them up, so. This is seeming to state that I'm not stuff. I also probably should redo this, so it appears on the HUD and whatnot, and you can kind of see the problem here of if I think if I go over there without you is a problem. Wow. That's actually surprising is how hard it is to hit them with a lightsaber. Like, that's a really... Okay, this guy is probably one of the highest levels you can get. I mean, if I let him kill me, because his attacking is really slow. Like, really, really slow. What is causing him to be so slow? Oh, it's that bit. So if I... Okay, there you go. So it worked. It's a little slow. And it was only handling one person there, so it wasn't a big concern. I wanted to have a look over that, but that worked pretty decently. There was a bug there, so let's write that down. We were unable to pick up that bug. Unable to pick up items dropped by enemies while we should be the only people. Well, we should be the only people who can pick it up. It's basically just a way of whoever kills it, they get the drops for it. Meaning they're able to do that unless they let it sit on the ground for long enough. So yeah, like if you need space, best thing to do is, in my opinion, go find an export, trade with it, and then return in time, because it's still under the cooldown. I think it's either 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes or something, so you should be fine for that amount of time. Right. Wait, when are we talking? Sorry, I've got a meeting at some point. So on. In about an hour. Either an hour to 30 minutes or something. I don't know. Something around that. Okay then, so starting to fix corruption colour. That's not a big problem. Let's go try fix that then. That's just a problem with I got my numbers the wrong way around. So it's hard. There you go. Okay. No, that one is fine. You don't want to touch that one. The one you want to touch is this one. I want this one to be 150 minus 150 minus. Let's try that. There you go. That seems really passively like that's a pink. And what I'm wanting this tab should be this whole big. They are not there. Oh, there you go. Like I guess I'm darker than them quite a bit, but the names are quite interesting. And I think they're sleeping, but it doesn't really matter. They're here. You don't trust me? That's a shame. And you have no items. You are useless, literally. Do you have any items? You have unstable red rainbow inner. That's a nice crystal. I don't know. Oh, that's really decent. What did I have on my Hot in the end? I don't remember. Red Civil, Unstable Red. This is an Unstable Rainbow. I got 2 of them. Yeah, let's go with that. 3, 2. Okay, so 6. So I have 2 grid 8s. Do I have any more grid 8s in here? I can't tell what that is. That's grade 4, that's not a problem. Okay, what's that? Okay, let's just actually move these 2 around. That should be nice. So that's 3. Nice. Oh. Oh, I see what happened. Yeah, that was just 2. I think that was a. There you go. So this is really annoying. I have to fix every single time. So, anyway, are there any other grade 8s? I don't think so. That's 3. I've got a lot of crystals which I'm just selling. Also, what was this guy's? Doesn't trust me enough. That's fine. I'm probably happy with that. That means you're not a dick. So again, I know, let's just flip these around. Okay, so red crystal, it's a 2. Oh, why does it keep doing that? So this is quite slow to do it quickly. So I might make it, if you have shift, it will just do the entire stack. But if you have shift, yeah, I might do that. Because that way it would make this a lot, because this is painful. Like it's nice, but it's painful as well. It's nice, it gives me the option, but it would also be nice if it wasn't there. So I'll look through the net option and I'll check to see if their key is down. If their key is down, it will make the panel. It does at the moment. So we don't write a number in. So if key down, can these key down? Okay. So can I say I'll make it be in speed. Okay. So if local player key down in speed, then there you go. input. I have too many stuff open at the moment. Okay, this uses key numbs, so now this will be shift, left shift, okay. If this doesn't work, I can always try the panel, but there you go. And so then if I click return, press trade. So trade stuff. Zero, so we get a 0. So if num equals 0, then num equals nil. So basically what we need to do then is make it so that you can't get 0 through, which you can't currently do anyway, so it should be fine. There you go. That's enough. Try to do that. There you go. So this is a quick way of doing it now. So again, I just do that. 10. That. 10. And it's just a quick, very nice, very simple. No hassle, no problems. No need to input a number each time if I'm quick buying and selling. There you go. And I could make it the other way around, but okay. So this is a grid 8. There you go. The number of crystals which get generated is magnitudes higher than what they used to be. So let's also have a look at crystal hilts. So we do have another legend. So we have a legendary hilt there. So we've got common. So common is useless. Uncommon is better. We have another common. So that you start seeing levels kind of come through. Yeah. So I have 5 common. 6 common. This really doesn't appear to be showing a good variety of what the hilts actually are. So I have 3 crystals there compared to my 6 crystals I have here on the rare pike. So this is actually a rare. So I think it goes like that. So then my pike will be standing here. Uncommon, rare, legendary. Maybe it's 4. Let's say it's 4. So, yeah. But yeah, I can put this on now. Oh, I clicked on the wrong thing, but despite that, it is technically equipped. I need to undo the if statement there. Oh, it's the Dooku help. So have luck. Oop, yeah, there you go. It's the Dooku help. I don't need those prints anymore. Okay. Yeah, that's right. I didn't quite again, didn't I? Okay, so sound's still a big thing. Let's put in there. Let's see what else do I have to have that one. Oh, that needs a reskin. That's if I keep this up, because I'm not sure. You can probably tell I'm getting bored now as I'm clipping around, jumping around. Yay! Okay, I'm losing concentration really badly. Okay, I'm well at 2 hours. That's going to be the end of this stream. I'm just phasing out. I can't concentrate on anything. Well, I think I made a good job on writing a lot down, which is personally I think wrong. And then this is just stuff which needs to be removed before. I still need to do this stuff before we get into the closed beta for the people testing. So let's do